It has like, they have their own secret sauce. It's raining now. My last night in Helsinki, Finland, and it has to rain. Boo. It's okay though. Of all the fast food places there are in Helsinki or in Finland, the fun one to try is Hesburger. They're all over the place. Well, they're over enough places. So let's go in and give them a try. Let's see what they got. Oh, these are like the kids' toys. Or the things for the kids. Well, I pretty much can have the fish, but it's actually pretty good food. Let's see. Number 8 looks good. I did the safe thing. I did a number 1 and number 8. Looks good. So I just got back. I decided to take the burgers, take them back here. Really good service. All right, so these I did the meals. I thought it'd be better to get the meals. All right, so I got the sodas. I just took a shot of the Guess and figured, you know, I just got a regular number 1 for Yanni. Oh, they gave me 2 lids. Funny. All right, cool. Cool, so this is how they give you the ketchup packets. They have their own, wow, salt, pepper, I don't know what, sugar? What is this? Is this like grilled? It looks like it's grill seasoning. Now mine, I did the burger that has a healthier bun. Ooh, I wish I could smell because I bet you it would smell good. Now I'm not quite sure whose is whose, so I'm sorry if I'm touching your food. That's mine, that's definitely mine. Okay, cool. So how do they do this? I've eaten in the restaurant before. So that, everything else is just stick in the oven for Yanni. Keep it nice and fresh. So we got a lot of work to do because sadly tonight I have to pack. Get my burger, which is found its way over here, and Yanni's. They doubled. Yes, they did. They put double lids on that. Very smart. Okay, well then fine. I'll take it as a smart idea. So here I go. I love it. They've wrapped their fries. Okay, kind of like McDonald's. Much fresher. Here you go. There's golden. I don't really need ketchup with these. It tastes more natural. Alright. And then here's what you do. You take this as a lid and you can use the ketchup part, or ketchup packet, excuse me. Wow, that's like, that looks like some fresh. You don't have to fight with this type of ketchup. It is Hesburger's own version of fancy ketchup. Look at that. See, there you go, very inventive. All right. This was the number 8. This is the first time trying this burger this way. And I was trying to figure out if it was a vegan burger. Like, they do make it like the picture. Right? And there is an onion on the, uh-oh. Surprisingly, it is really good. I think the bun makes it really good too. And the type of lettuce that is used helps give a nice little crunch, a slight Really a soft crunch to it. Really good. It has like, they have their own secret sauce. So there's the secret sauce, and you got the cheese, and then the mayonnaise. It's only because I'm holding it this way, probably holding it down with the hand. Wow. Yeah, definitely recommend trying Hesburger whenever you come to Helsinki, Finland. Give them a try.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.
Mango organic wine, and this is actually from France. So I'm kind of cheating the fact that, you know, it's a product of France. But I thought, hey, what the heck, I'll give it a try. Mango Fango is named after a wind which blows in southern France. It's made mainly from Grenache and Syrah grapes. And you know what? You'd think it would have been mango. Oh, darn. Here I thought I was about to have mango wine. Well, anyway, here's to the last night in Helsinki. Let's break it open. Yeah, I know, twist off. All right. Yep. There we go. Cheers. Salute.